Hello guys, in this video I'll be talking about printing numbers. So previously we take the print function and we send the argument as text, which is string in other words. So to make a string again, we should add the quotations and we type in whatever string we need. But what if I need to find numbers, to print numbers? The numbers should be printed without the quotations. So for example, if I need to print number 10, okay, and then over here print and the quotation print 20. So let's see what is the output of this one. When I click on run, execute, and it will show 10 and 20 because I'm commanding the computer. I'm asking him print 10, so it will show me 10, not print 10. No, it will just print the number 10, okay, in the output screen, or we call it the console over here down. Is that the only way we deal with numbers? No, of course not. Now we can deal with decimal numbers. Decimal numbers are floating numbers. So for example, 1.90. So I can even display decimal numbers. You can see now the number displayed is 1.9. The 0 is ignored. Why? Because it has no value. Now let's try calculations. Can we make calculations with numbers? Definitely. Let's say 5 plus 5. What do you expect the output of this one? We are making now a total. So let's see Python, how it will react to this. It will give us 10. So Python also can work as calculator. If I need to do other calculations like subtraction, so 5 minus 5 will give us what? Yes, correct. It will give us 0, as you can see over here in the output screen. This is the only operations we can do. This is called operator, by the way. The sign over here is called operator. Do we have other operators? Yes. Let's say the multiplication. Multiplication we know in math is X sign, but in Python we know it as a star. So the star represent what? Represent the multiplication. Let's see the output from this. It will be, yes, of course, as you can see down here, it will display the result of that calculation, which is 24. Now, what about division? For division, we have two types of division, or to be more accurate, three types of division. We have first the decimal division. So if I use this one, and let's say I'm using over here 9 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5, or to make it even more simpler, divided by 2. So what do you expect the outcome from 9 divided by 2? You have 9 to divide by 2, so the answer would be what? Yes, exactly. Here it is. It will be 4.5. Now this division is over here is called decimal division or floating division. Right. Let's try the same function again, but this time I will not add 1. I will add 2. So the only difference between the first line and second line, the division over here, we are using 2 symbols of the division. Now this over here is called, I'm adding a comment, integer division. Okay, this is over here is called floating, which is the decimal. Now let's run the code and see how it looks like. You see the answer for the first one, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, and the second one is 4. What happened in the second one? Integer division will give us the result in integer. It will not make rounding. No, it will go here to anything after decimal and delete. So we have only 4. Let's find another number. Integer division. So let's divide, for example, 5 divided by 2. If we use single division, like this one, we call it floating division, we will have the answer 2.5. But what if I make 2, which is the integer division, run the answer, you will see the answer definitely 2. Okay, are there any more? Yes, we have the exponent. What is the exponent? Means it's the power. Okay, let's say I need the 2 to the power of 3. What do we mean by that? That means it's 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 to the power of 3 in math is written like this: 2 times 2 times 2. In Python, we use the multiplication sign twice. Let's see the result. This should be giving us 8. Okay? I hope that clears everything about Python print function. Thank you for watching.